Okay, today we're going to be pre-tripping a fifth wheel and the coupling system. First thing I would like to tell you about this is that this is a sliding fifth wheel and that it is in the proper location to allow clearance between the mud flaps and the landing gear. The second thing I'd like to tell you, which is a two-part. First part is the release arm that is on the other side of this fifth wheel is in the full lock position, and it is not bent, cracked, or broken. There are no missing parts to it. The second thing I'd like to tell you is that there is no gap between the apron and the skid plate. These two things together tell me that the locking jaws are in the full lock position around the shank of the kingpin. And even though we can't see that kingpin, I'd like to tell you that it is not bent, cracked, or broken, and that it is securely mounted to the trailer apron. Now that trailer apron is not bent, cracked, or broken, and it is free of any illegal welds or holes. My skid plate, it is properly greased, and it is not bent, cracked, or broken. And the skid plate mounting platform and locking pins are not bent, cracked, or broken, and the locking pins are in the full lock position in the sliding mount bracket. And that sliding mount bracket, it is not bent, cracked, or broken, and there are no missing or loose nuts or bolts. The last thing about this fifth wheel I'd like to tell you is that the air ram on the other side there, and that air line is securely mounted, it does not leak, and it works properly. I'd now like to take you through the coupling system. First thing about the coupling system I would like to tell you is that the electrical line and both air lines are properly suspended up on the back of the tractor so that they will not come in contact with the catwalk. Next thing I'd like to tell you is that the electrical line is in the full lock position in the front of the trailer and in the full lock position in the back of the tractor. And that electrical line, it is not cut, frayed, there are no exposed wires. This electrical line is in good condition. Next, the air line. They're properly connected to the back of the tractor with the couplers and fittings, and they do not leak here. The air lines themselves have no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. They are in good condition. They do not leak. The glad hands are in the full lock position in the couplers with good rubber seals between the two of them, as you can see here. This is a glad hand and this is a coupler. That concludes the pre-trip inspection of the complete coupling system that connects this trailer to this tractor.